Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I will show you how to install the latest version of Microsoft Office without any product keys, paid subscriptions, or dangerous third-party cracks, using only official tools from Microsoft. First, if you have any trial or expired versions of Office already installed, you must remove them so the installation starts properly. Go to your control panel, click Uninstall a program, and remove everything related to Microsoft Office. Next, open your browser and go to config.office.com. Click Create under a new configuration. Select the 64-bit architecture. Under Office Suites, choose Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 Volume License, or select 2026 if it is available for you. This version gives you full access without an online account or subscription. Now, uncheck the apps you do not want. I only need Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, so I will uncheck the rest. Scroll down to Languages, select English US or your preference, and click Export. Choose the Office Open XML format, accept the license agreement, and click Export again to download your configuration.xml file. Now, search Google for the Office Deployment tool, open the official Microsoft site, and click Download. Run the downloaded file, accept the terms, and extract the files into a simple new folder on your desktop named Office 365. Drag your configuration.xml file into this new folder right next to setup.exe and delete the sample files. Next, open Command Prompt as an administrator. Type CD, copy and paste your new folder path, and press Enter. Finally, type setup.exe/configure configuration.xml and hit Enter. The official deployment tool will launch and download the fresh suite directly into your system. Once finished, open Word or Excel from your Start menu and use them normally. And that is it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I will see you in the next one.